Ibinasura ng kampo ni dating Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez ang pagtatangka na ikabit siya sa plunder at iba pang seryosong krimen. Binigyan din na Independent Commission for Infrastructure mismo ay malinaw ang ginawang referral na walang nakita o konklusyon, sala o pananagutan. Sa pahayag ni Atty. Adi Fajardo, lawyer at spokesperson ni Romualdez, sinabi nito ang pinakahuling pahayag ng Department of Public Works and Highways ay hindi magkamali sa pagkakaintindi bilang katibayan ng maling gawain.
It is important to clarify that a DPWH recommendation is not a finding, much less a determination of guilt.
Itinanggi rin ni Fajardo ang mga report na nagbubungkay ang ACI na sampahan ng plunder at iba pang seryosong kaso na may kinalaman sa flood control sa 2025 budget laban sa dating speaker. Idinagdag pa nito na iginagalang ni Romualdez ang institutional processes at tiwala na pag-aaralang mabuti ng ombudsman ng naturang usapin ng patas at walang pinapanigan.
It is not true that the ICI has recommended to the ombudsman that former Speaker Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez be charged with plunder or other serious crimes related to the flood control of 2025 budget issue. In fact, the ICI made it clear in their referral that it was issued without finding or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of former Speaker Romualdez.
Ginagalang nila umano ang due process at hinihintay na lamang na magsagawa ang ombudsman ng independent na pag-aaral batay sa ebidensya, hindi press conference soundbites.
We respect due process and will await the ombudsman to independently evaluate the submissions based on evidence, not press conference soundbites.
Felix Tambongko, The Observer News, DWRB 103.9 News FM, ikaw ang una.